Many of us, we are prepared for divorce. Let me start with the first category, which is where I belong. Before I marry anybody, there's what we call prenup. That's the name. It's a document that you will state what you want, how you want it. In case if this happens and this happens, this is how we will resolve it. The last solution there is divorce. Because some of you don't know, you just hear prenup. Say, why are you fighting for divorce? No. The document states, listen to me, what you want from the person. So the person will read it if he or she can deliver on those things. How you want it, the way you want it. If this happens, peradventure, maybe let's say cheating, this is how we will resolve it. If this happens, maybe peradventure dupe, or you hear that your age was not the age you told me, or you told me you were a virgin, I discovered you are not a virgin. All those kind of things, it will be written in the prenup. If later we get married and I discover that your biological test was fake, you influenced it. Even though me and you went there, you know the doctor, you still find a way. You know, some people are wonderful. They will find their way, I'm telling you. And I discover later, this is how we'll solve it. Then there's one that will not say, for this case, if this is this and could not be resolved, divorce is allowed. So when you sign, when you now do all those things and get to the one of divorce, no need to fight. We just bring the document. It has been signed. We're not trying to sign again. Prenup. Me, I will do it. I will not work this hard, discipline myself this much, build myself. Are you joking? Build a dynasty for myself, deprive myself of many things, become a good child. Maybe you don't understand. It is not only for God, though. You did it for yourself too. Then it's time for me to enjoy. You now deceive me and find your way into my marriage. Until I go serve you paper. You go sign our face. If now the next day I discover you are out, that's category number one. Both women too, they are ready for this category. Category number two, the way you are going now, you will end in divorce. So you are prepared for divorce. The way you are going about this relationship, the way you are handling it, you will divorce. You will know that this guy is not it, based on plenty other things, all the factors. You know that this girl is not it, but you are still entering. Like many factors, you end in divorce. So to round it off, because of my time frame, I set a time that I want to use to do this.